Guys, I'm checking into a five-star hotel that I didn't pay for. Can you imagine? 3 days, all expenses paid, just because I'm a lifestyle content creator. Okay, moment of truth.
If you give me 10 minutes of your time, I'm going to show you how to create 15 seconds video just like the one you just watched using Grok AI for absolutely free. Recently, creating longer videos with Grok has become more limited. Depending on your access, you may be required to pay for a monthly subscription and still receive weekly generation limits and only being able to generate short 6 seconds clips, which is absolutely frustrating, you must agree. And on this channel, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to go about creating longer videos using Grok AI for absolutely free, because you know that I don't get keep on this channel and I always bring to you new apps that you can use for free. Now, this platform I am about to show you today changes the game. I'll take you through the entire process step by step, from signing up and generating your videos for free to even creating consistent characters, maintaining the same setting, and connecting your scene into one complete story. Make sure you watch it until the end because you don't want to miss any part of this process. And before we begin, do not forget to smash that subscribe button, subscribe to Toyin-Parrot, and turn your notifications on so you never miss any of my AI tutorials, which I always drop. For the video to perform correctly, you must first of all generate your images, because this platform you must have a start image and an ending frame. That way you're sure of getting a consistent character or avatar all throughout your generation. So the first thing I have done is I have generated my images for each scene that I want Grok AI to animate. So the first thing you want to do is generate your image. So I already have my avatar that I always use. I uploaded it into ChatGPT and I told it exactly what I wanted. I wanted to generate a very detailed POV image of my avatar. She is in the corridor of a hotel. She is holding her right hand in her right hand a light pink cute suitcase, and she is pulling it naturally beside her. She must look natural, front facing, holding a small content creator mic in her right hand, as if she is speaking while walking. And she is wearing a black polka dot blouse and a fitted high waist black pants. You see how detailed I am? Then ChatGPT generated the first image for me. And then we continued scene by scene. This is the next scene. She's walking towards the room, speaking into the microphone, and then she gets to the room. The door is open. She's still holding a suitcase. ChatGPT will generate all these images. Then I wanted the hotel to feel like a luxury vibe. So I gathered images from Pinterest and Google. That way, you can now modify your prompts to ensure that your avatar is in the right location that you want. Do not use those images directly. You want to just use it like as a sample of the kind of luxury vibe or setting you want your video to come out with. So I said, now, same avatar still holding the mic and neck fan on her neck now in an absolutely luxury hotel bedroom setting similar to the attached image, and her pink suitcase is now placed on the bed. Then ChatGPT went ahead to create that. That is it. Can you see that? Very, very detailed. Then I wanted a jacuzzi um, luxury hotel vibe. So I got my image from Pinterest and I said, same avatar, still holding the mic and neck fan on her neck, now standing in absolutely luxury hotel bathroom setting similar to the attached image. She looks visibly excited. And then there you go. You see, all the images you have to, because this is the absolute important part of your video creation. Now that you have done exactly all your images, you have everything ready, you ensure that you see that the character looks consistent. ChatGPT has generated the images correctly, or you could use Nano Banana or any other image generating platform to create all your images for each scene, beginning and the closing image. Because when you want to generate this long kind of video, you want to ensure that everything is consistent. You will now head over to get your full story. So what I did was I told ChatGPT exactly what I wanted the avatar to say in each scene. I said, now that we have all our images ready, we need to develop a 30-second video script. While she's walking down the hotel, always speaking into the microphone like a POV style UGC creator. And she's here to market a free 3-day luxury, all expenses paid hotel marketing gig. Give me a very relatable script to bring the concept to life. And then ChatGPT gave me all the scenes and what she's going to say per scene. Then I went ahead to read through it and make my adjustments. And then I got a polished 30-second script, scene by scene. With that, now I'm satisfied. Make sure you download all your images and then you will want to get your 15-second video animation prompt. In order to get your 15-second video animation prompt, you will tell GBT exactly what it's going to do. Use the beginning image. Like this one now, I wanted her to start from the bedroom to end in the bathroom. So this is the bedroom scene and this is the bathroom scene. And I explained to ChatGPT that I wanted to give me a 15-second video prompt for Grok AI with the two images I attached as opening and ending image. And well, she starts from the bedroom, talks actively, and all that. Then it gave me exactly the prompt I needed. So you look through it, be sure that it gave you the correct prompts that you want. Let's check out the bathroom, all the, negative prompts and all that. And now to the platform we're going to be using to animate this video. Now you go into Google or any of your browsers and type KIEAPL in capital letters. KIEAPL, and then the very first one that pops up with the blue logo, you click on that one. And there we have the interface. You make sure you sign in with your Google account. It will ask you to confirm that you're human, and then you will confirm that you're human. And then you go ahead and click on Explore API. And here we have the interface that shows you all different forms of video generation, even image generation apps right here under one surface. For this tutorial, we're going to be working on Grok AI. But as you can see, you have a lot of models. You have Google, ByteDance, Anthropic, Kling, One, any model that you need, you find. So you can explore it on your own time, right? And then it gives you the option to do image to video, which is what we're working on today. There is image to image, text to video, text to image, and so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and click on the image to video. As soon as you click that, it gives you a lot of options to pick from. Kling, One, Minimax, and so on. But we're going to be working on Grok Imagine video 1.5, which gives us 15-second video generation. There's also other Groks there, but we need the one for the 1.5. You click on that one and it takes you to the next page. Once you're on the interface, come to the prompt section, which is at the top left corner, and delete all the prompts you see there. And then you place yours into it. And then delete all the images that you find there. Select file and update yours into that space. Then you change from auto to 16 by 9 or 9 by 16, depending on what you want to use it for. Ensure that you select the dimension I will be changing it into 16 by 9. It's going to show 480p resolution. Pull the duration to 15 seconds and click run. Once you click run, it will start generating in the next window. It takes less than 1 minute to get your video. Let's wait for it to generate.
Guys, I'm checking into a five-star hotel that I didn't pay for. Can you imagine? 3 days, all expenses paid, just because I'm a lifestyle content creator. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, wow, it's even better than I imagined. This setup is breathtaking. Let's check out the bathroom. Wait, a jacuzzi bath? I'm definitely spending hours enjoying my private spa. Everything about this hotel is giving luxury vibes. They even have a mini bar. This is incredible. Guys, don't miss any part of this experience. I'm just gonna check out the view outside. I feel like a celebrity. Bye for now.
As you can see, the quality of the video that you just watched, it's absolutely amazing. It sticks to the character description, consistency, giving you high production, good visuals, good voice matching, and you're able to actually have continuity seamlessly. And this definitely changes the game in everything because you don't have to match 6 or 10 seconds videos endlessly in order to be able to get videos such as folktales videos, adverts videos, or even regular AI videos that you want to generate. You definitely have to agree with me that Kie AI is a real game changer. It gives you free daily credit and allows you to generate high quality videos ranging from 15 to 30 seconds, depending on the model you select. You also can get access to several powerful AI video models in one place, including Seedance, VEO3, and many others. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which part of this tutorial helped you the most? Let me know in the comment section. And will you be trying Kie AI for your own videos? Because it will save you time, stress, and energy. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Toyin-Parrot, and turn on your notification so you don't miss any of my new videos and AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.